Pharmaceuticals. If we want to set up a base of operation on Mars, we want to also have all the capabilities for drugs and medicine available as early as possible. While things like aspirin or basic antiseptics can be synthesized from hydrocarbons fairly quickly, if you look at the aspirin structure on the left of the slide, the more you go into more advanced pharmaceuticals, the more difficult it becomes. So it makes sense to stage your development of your pharmaceutical industry on Mars in a similar way in iterations. First started with simple uh, components and get into the more complex one. If you look at the things like monoclonal antibodies, and that's the structure on the right, you can see how complex those drugs can get with thousands of atoms in precise configuration, and it's not just feasible to have those independent manufacturing capabilities on day one. So you start with basic, scale up, and get into the more complex medications later on. There is also a good, useful benchmark published by a World Health Organization called Essential Medical List. And if you look at those drugs, if you can synthesize them in place, you are already 90% covered for all the needs of your healthcare and medication production.